Hey everybody, welcome to Thursday. Not a good day. So we started the rest of the tear off of the other driveway side, and the only reason I'm doing this is kind of a mid-thing update is just to kind of give you an idea as to why it's taken so long, and this seemed like a good one to put before I make an actual video. So if you remember the stairwell, you remember how the beam up here and this beam here was really bad. I mean, obviously we've torn more of it out, but the main beam across the top there, that's about 16 feet worth of junk that needs to get replaced somehow. So I was thinking, 2 by 10 by 16s, nail a few of them together, throw them up there, maybe that would work. But then we also have to support this. Can't tell if this goes into the floor or not. It seems like it sort of does, but then it seems like it's on a beam. But then what I wasn't expecting when we tore the wall apart is this beam here turns into absolute nothingness. Continues back under the stairs to the depths of which I do not know, to at least where this other post was. Then if we come back over into the other room, the room that we originally saw the bad post in, well, that post is on the ground now. Used to go right here. There's the base that was sitting in. It actually had kind of a weird corner in here for some reason. So that's down. Turns out that up there though, oops, how do you do this? That one up there, also completely garbage. I knew this one across the top, the ceiling, I knew that was garbage. But yeah, this thing wants to fall at any moment, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna go get a 2x4 to brace that up with in the meantime. Yeah, so just kind of a quick little mid-project update to show you the problems we ran into on this half of the house. The other side's fine, this side not so much. And so yeah, a little disappointed, a little disheartened. Haven't figured out how I'm going to pull this one off yet. Put a lot of money into buying all the other supplies and everything already, and did not, foolishly, I did not account for such a weird noises. I did not account for so much extra damage that I haven't figured out how to do yet. So feel free to leave me suggestions other than rob a bank. That's probably not going to help in the long run. So anyway, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching my misery, and hopefully I figure this one out. See ya.